Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable email notifications on the Wanderlog application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then click on the account button down below in the right side corner of the screen. After that, tap on this More button in the upper right corner. Click on Settings, which is the first option down below. And now you should click on Notifications. After that, you should select all of the email notifications you would like to receive, such as about trips, when your friend wants tips for their trip, imported flights and hotels, when someone comments on your guide, when someone likes your guide. So all you have to do is tapping onto these boxes until the checkmark icon appears in them, meaning that they will be enabled. So here you can see push notifications as well. And if you would like to disable all of them, tap on the disable all button down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.